Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, we're going to be finishing working on some of the modifications for our trailer. We're going to try to encase the trailer itself with plywood. That should help us not have the problems we're having in the last video where we were bringing the compost back to the house in a giant tarp and having to wrap it all up. Hopefully encasing it will at least give us a bottom so we won't have anything falling through. Before that, we're actually going to make it so that I can use the lawnmower to actually take the trailer around the yard, so I don't have to drive the car through the yard. So I can go pick up whatever I need, drop it off, switch it over to the lawnmower trailer hitch, and then take it around the yard. But Graham's gonna out here with me, so he's gonna help me get all this stuff set up and fixed up. So we're gonna get started. So for this, we got a couple pieces. First is this is gonna be our trailer piece that's gonna extend it. This is gonna drop in here. Portion is our trailer hitch. This one for our trailer, we need a 1 7/8. Now, let's go see if we can grab the trailer, hook it up to this, and see how it works. Now this isn't for everyday use. This is for the situations where I'm having to take either a large pile of mulch to the backyard, something that doesn't weigh too much, or if I'm picking up debris, sticks, or large branches or anything like that, I can just drag this along to a certain area, load everything in, and it's a lot more area, surface area to pile things into than my little 7 cubic foot Gorilla cart. So this should make some of the jobs a lot easier. Now we see how that's hooked up. Next thing we're gonna do is put a bottom and possibly some sides onto this. We have all our materials gathered together. So now we're gonna start doing the assembly and cutting everything to size and putting it all together. But before, I thought I'd go over some of the things I've got and how I'm gonna be putting together. I'll explain some of the stuff as I do it. But first off, our plywood and our 2x4s we got from a friend who was tearing down an old shed that they didn't need anymore. So we took that materials, which we used for some outdoor projects here. We built one of our first videos where we built the little compost area. That's using all the same wood that we picked up from that friend. This is just more of that leftover stuff, and it's been sitting in our garage for almost over 3 years now. So we're going to try putting some of this stuff to good use. Now, we did pick up this bolt and nut. This is all that we picked up from the store. This is the only stuff that here is brand new that I didn't already have. Now, this is what's going to be holding the plywood down to the base of the trailer. It's going to go pre-drill a hole, bolt and one fender washer go in, and then sandwich with another fender washer and the nut, and that's going to cinch down and hold it all in place. Now, as for the tailgate that we're going to have on the back, we actually have eye bolts. We're going to have an eye bolt fixed to the inside of the trailer hitch. We have an eye bolt hooked to the inside of the tailgate and one along the wall on the outside. And what we'll do is use these carabiners and chains, and we're going to attach them together so we'll be able to fix and hold it into place. So that's all we have for materials. Oh, except for the tailgate. So with the tailgate, we are going to be using door frame or door hinges. That's going to hold it all into place. So we're just utilizing things that we have to try to quickly put together a project to make our lives just a little bit easier. So let's get started. So one of our first ones we're putting in is actually, I believe it's this one, doesn't actually need to be cut. So we'll put that one in right away. Six and a quarter inches long. Check it over here. 26 and a quarter. So the distance between is roughly 49 inches. So we want something that's 48 inches because that's a standard board. Our board here from here to here is 48 inches. So we know we have to cut 26 and a quarter inches this way. What did you say? You tried some of my coffee and what? Oh, that's too bad. Thanks. So we got it all set up in the right spot. So we're gonna get this affixed and then start building the rest of it. That there and don't let it go anywhere, okay? Push it down and hold it in place, okay? Keep holding it. You're doing awesome, dude. You have no idea how big of a help this is. I don't know how I was going to do this without you. Hold it tight. You got it? Hold it tight. Okay. You did it. Do it again right here. Last minute change. I was missing 14 inches here, so I added 14 inches and secured that, and I got it back in. Now I'm gonna fix it to the bottom. That's a little preview for what we have coming. It works exactly how we expected and hoped it would. If you have any questions or comments, leave them in the comment section below. And as always, thanks for watching, and we'll see you soon.